Hello YouTubers, I have a quick video for you. When you back up your iPhone, I just got the iPhone 12 with the iOS 13. When you back it up, you need to go to, if you want to find where your backup go to, where your backups are, go to C, user, your name, Apple data, roaming, Apple computer, and then mobile sync. And that's where you find your backup folder right here. If it, the reason I'm doing this video because it eats up a lot of my hard drive. I have a small hard drive, 128 gigs. And as you guys can see over here, the backup is actually 42 gigs. You can just move that to an external drive. And anytime you need to recover your iPhone, you can use these backups. I backed up my old iPhone and my new iPhone, and we're looking at 42 gigs of used up space. So I looked around online and I couldn't find anything, and that's why I decided to do today's video. So I hope this helps. Just remember to go to C. Let me see if I can focus. C drive. Click on user. Type it. Click on your name. Click on app data, roaming, Apple computer, mobile sync, and you'll get to the backup drive, backup folder right here. And that's what's in there, 42 gigs of used up hard drive space. You can just move that to an external drive and free up some memory. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.